Welcome to Doit Industries India Pvt Limited, the home of innovative and quality jewelry manufacturing machinery and consumables. Our journey began with a vision of transforming the jewelry industry in India and across the world. We have since become a conglomerate of more than 200 plus skilled employees who help the industry to produce high-quality jewelry with better technology. Our portfolio includes over 400 plus machinery and 600 plus consumables that have set global standards in manufacturing and transformed the way jewelry is made and seen. We have also invested heavily in machinery capabilities, with multiple showrooms located in various parts of the country. Our team of master designers and manufacturing technicians with decades of experience ensures that every piece of machinery manufactured has a unique meaning to its user. We are proud to have set high standards of quality and customization and to be a one-stop destination for all jewelry, be it gold, diamond, platinum, silver, or brass manufacturing units. At Doit Industries India Pvt Limited, we take pride in our people and their commitment to our vision. Our team represents almost every part of India, and we are an example of unity in diversity. We are well on our way to becoming the largest jewelry machinery manufacturer in the world while setting new frontiers in design and quality. Join us on our journey of transformation as we continue to create ripples across the world with our innovative and quality jewelry manufacturing machinery and consumables. We have a dedicated digital marketing team to disseminate information about our new products and schemes through various online platforms. In addition to our manufacturing prowess, we offer comprehensive after-sales services. Our products and service department provides solutions within 24 hours of a request. Dedicated demo and training center, we provide versatile training through online and offline, featuring immersive machine live demonstrations of our products. Our machine assembly department is the heart of our manufacturing operations, where skilled technicians meticulously put together intricate components to create high-quality machinery. With precision and expertise, this department ensures that every machine meets stringent standards of performance and reliability. Welcome to Doit Industries Lab, where delve into advanced chemical research and development. Our enthusiastic team is committed to creating innovative chemical solutions designed to transform and elevate the jewelry industry. And we are open to accepting jobs related to CAM. Our 3D printing solutions guarantee quality, reliability, and efficiency, reducing time to market and costs. Seamlessly integrating with standard manufacturing workflows, they unlock new levels of jewelry design and productivity. The employee training department dedicated to enhancing workforce skills and knowledge through comprehensive training programs. We focus on professional development, ensuring employees are well equipped to meet industry standards and excel in their role. We are available on all social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and YouTube. Our products are available on e-commerce platforms. You can also buy our products by visiting our website. Doit Industries excels in global jewelry machinery, driven by innovation and quality. We have already delivered products in these countries, and we are going to include more countries in the future.